What is up, my G's? I'm hyped. Let's go!
Mic check, mic check, mic check.
That lady in the van over there was like, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. What is up, my G's? Today we're doing a review on my new tune on the MK7 GTI. So I went with the same people I had before. I just got a reflash for, I had them change a couple things with it, and it should run a little smoother, a little cleaner. It's the same thing, so it's split in two. So normal mode is like runs off 26 pounds of boost, and it's kind of toned back a little bit. And then sport mode is the sport mode. It's like everything all at once. I think it's like 29 pounds it peaks at, and yeah, burble tune, nothing crazy. But so we're gonna do a review. I got a new suction cup mount. I'm hyped. So now we can do this, and I got it mic'd up. So I filmed all day yesterday. I literally got up, I'm like, man, today's a great day. So I filmed all day. I made this little ghetto rig with, like, I taped the mic to the dash so I could get some good audio. And then I get home and nothing. No sound on any of the videos that I filmed the entire day because the audio jack was like ever so slightly not clicked into place, and I didn't pay attention and didn't check it, so nothing counted. So we're redoing the whole thing again. So realistically, this is the second day of having the tune and we're reviewing it. All right, this is reaction. It's not my first reaction because I drove it all day yesterday, but it's still gonna be sick because I'm still hyped and it sounds dope. All right, let's do it. As always, if you like the videos, drop a like, makes a big difference. We got to build up on them subs, so if you like what you see, subscribe, bro. Let's do it. So I have everything mic'd up, so it should sound pretty good. Suction cup mount should be sucky. Hi, bro. Let's go find some tunnels. Let's go take some rips. Let's go take some dips. Let's go eat some chips. I was trying to be mad casual about that. I definitely just blew that dude's eardrum. Let's go. He's pissed. Yo, we gotta hit it through the tunnel, bro. Whoa, let's go! What the fuck was that? Let's go! Oh my god. I feel like camera doesn't do that justice, bro. It's literally like the most aggressive burble tune I've ever seen. Heard. I seen it. Her neck broken. Let's go, bro. I'm on the hunt for every tunnel. No tunnel is safe. It's a lot faster too. It's not like faster in like the top end sense because it's the same people tuning it, but they dialed it in a little bit more, and it's a lot more responsive low end, honestly, which was kind of nice. So like the initial just like touch the throttle is like, well, god dang! You know what I really love? When you're in a 25 and somebody goes 20, like, why? I'm gonna send it. success. Not too much, but not enough. You know? I love it! Alright, we're gonna go slow through this time. This is gonna be obnoxious. Let's see if we can get all the sound. Oh! This just like makes you that guy. Like you're that guy. All the time. And I love it. Good work. Off-road, bro. I'm literally driving on somebody's lawn right now. That guy's not happy. That construction took up the entire road, so they had to like drive up onto this person's lawn to get around it. Alright, we're gonna do an interstate rip. I'm gonna hop on and just go to 65 real quick. State trooper. I'll hop on slow. I'll get in second and then just let her rip. Tater chip. Here we go. I've never gotten to 65 so fast. It just sounds like it literally sounds like a little MP5 like underneath the exhaust. Get the dot, get the dot. That's so sick. So much potential. Ah! Country road, take me home to the boost where I belong in my GT, big ol' capital I. Country. Yeah, he knows. Here I go. Tee-hee. Why did I decide to go this way? I have no idea. Tunnel ball! Bro, I just torque steered me into the wall. Spun all the way up that hill. Country road. God, that's stuck in my head. No tunnel is safe. I-O, choo-choo bang bang, choo-choo bang bang, we love you. Yee-haw, choo-choo bang bang. Just makes me want to drive really fast. So the lowering springs just shipped, finally, like what, 3-4 weeks? No, it was like 2 months ago. I don't know. things are coming. I needed to at least get something on this to get it looking better. Those will be here hopefully within, I'll try to put this video up tonight, so it should be here. Make sure you can actually hear me. They should be sometime this week, and then as soon as I have them, I'll put them in like the next day, and we'll do a whole video on that. So finally, we get it looking good, get the fitment a little bit better, because I'm sick of that stock ride height, because it looks bad. Yeah, that's it. Alright guys, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe.